Today in the online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the topic ledger related to the chapter recording of transactions. Now first of all, we should know the definition of ledger before proceeding further. What is ledger? Ledger itself is a collection of information related to a particular account. Means the information related to a particular account is assembled at one place, and that place is known as ledger. Ledger is the principal book of account which contains different accounts where transactions related to that account are recorded. Okay, this is the definition which you can copy in your fair or rough notebook. Okay, right. Now, in order to record the information related to the concerned accounts at one place known as ledger, a particular format must be there. And here is the format related to the ledger accounts as prescribed by the experts. This is the format of ledger. On the top, we have to write the name of the account, like furniture account, building account, outstanding salaries account, etc. Okay. You can see that this format of ledger account is in a T shape. The format of this ledger account is T shaped. Okay, right? T shape. One T, second T. Okay, right. So keep in mind the ledger account format is T shaped. See the different columns and the posting made in different columns. The very first column is date column, but you can also notice that on the top of this format we have written DR and CR. DR on the left hand side and CR on the right hand side. This we need to write debit, that is debit and credit on the corner. ठीक है, left hand side corner we have to write debit. DR means debit, DEBIT. Okay, CR means credit, is to be written on the right hand side corner, right? Later on I will tell you the use of this debit side and the credit side with the help of some illustrations. Till then, understand the posting made in different columns within this format, T-shaped format of laser account. The first column is date column. Here we need to write the date of the transaction. Okay, on which date the different transactions occurred. Okay, in the particulars column, we have to do the postings with the help of journal entries. Okay, the entries relates to different types of accounts, that is personal account, nominal account, real account. The related and postings is to be made in the particular column. Okay, it will be more clear with the help of illustration that will be explained or explained to you in the later dates. Okay, now third column is JF. JF means, see here, JF means journal folio. Folio means page number. Journal means the journal entries, which is the original book of entry. Okay, means all the postings which are to be made in the ledger accounts, whether on the debit side of the particular column or on the credit side of the particular column, that all postings will be done with the help of journal entries, and the page number of the concerned transaction, wherever it is entered in the journal entries format, that page number is to be written under JF in front of the concerned posting. Okay, this is the amount column. In the amount column, we need to write the same amount which is written in front of journal entries in the journal entry format. Okay, same columns are on the credit side. Okay, now one more thing to be kept in mind, on the debit side, this side, on the debit side, within the particular column, before any posting, means as a prefix, we need to use the word to. Similarly, on the credit side, while posting anything, we need to use the term, and that term is by. On the debit side, we have to use the term to, and on the credit side, the term to be used is by before any posting. Right? Just copy this in your fair notebook or rough notebook, whatever you are having. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you that how you can post the matter, the thing within this T-shaped laser account with the help of laser journal entries. Okay, right? So just see once again. Okay, take the screenshot and copy them in the fair notebook or rough notebook, whatever you are. Okay, so that's all for today.